Hi, my name is Sanley Jeanne, a cosmetic chemist in training, and watch me make my first batch of liquid shampoo. The first step is to use some distilled water, and I'm adding some allantoin into that because it helps exfoliate the scalp by removing dead skin cells. Next, I'm mixing up some cassia hydroxypropyltrammonium chloride with aloe vera powder and panthenol and glycerin, so that way it can create a slurry that is anti-static and a conditioning agent. Then I'm taking that mixture and adding it to the water. Cocoa glucoside is the mild plant-based surfactant that we are using for this shampoo. To boost the moisture properties of the shampoo, I'm using some silk amino acids because it penetrates the hair shaft, allowing it to draw moisture into the hair to keep the hair flexible and soft. To keep the shampoo free of microbes, it is important to add a preservative system, so I am using Optifin Plus. And fragrance just to make it smell all pretty. And citric acid is added to the shampoo to bring the pH down closer to a 4.5 to 5, so that way it is better for the hair and scalp. Tried to make it all pretty by adding some color. And now bottle up the final product.